The map of our world is about to change. And I'm not talking about China breaching boundaries. I'm talking about the continent of Africa splitting into two. It's being predicted now. An entirely new ocean could emerge in the African continent. Reports say two sections of Africa, of the continent, have started to move apart. And this change is associated with the East African Rift System. It's one of the largest rifts in the world. And this split, if it happens, like any other process in geology, could take millions of years. But how will it change our world? Here's a report.
Our planet is ever-changing, and one such major change is expected in Africa. The continent will be split, quite literally. And there could be a new ocean in the making. We are talking of the East African Rift. It has been developing for 22 million years. Yes, you heard us right, 22 million years. It extends over thousands of kilometers through countries like Ethiopia, Kenya, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, and Rwanda. What is this rift? Rifts are valleys or lowland regions. They form when the Earth's tectonic plates move apart. And why does this happen? Because the irregularly shaped tectonic plates are constantly in motion. In 2018, a sudden large crack appeared in Kenya. It caused immense destruction, including a highway collapse. Initial theories linked it to the East African Rift. But the two sides of the crack did not have the same outline, like trying to join two pieces of a puzzle that don't belong together. Later it was discovered that this was most likely caused by soil erosion. Now many are speculating that the possible split in Africa could be connected to the same rift. Experts suggest that two major sections of the continent are already moving apart. This could eventually lead to a new body of water between them. But fret not, you won't be around to witness it. Why? Because it could take 10 million years to fully form. And how will it change Africa? Landlocked countries like Uganda and Zambia could have their very own coastlines. If the crack in Kenya garnered attention in 2018, in 2005, it was Ethiopia which was in the news. That's when a 56-kilometer-long crack appeared in its deserts. Researchers say this could have been the beginning of the formation of the water body we are talking about now. Believe it or not, this has happened before. Tectonic shifts were major factors in the creation of many regions we see today. The Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden between East Africa and West Asia were created like this. The Himalayas were created in the same fashion when India and Eurasia collided. The story of the evolution of our planet is a fascinating one. Mountains, seas, and entire new continents are created over millions of years. The next big change is coming in Africa. Two continents and a new ocean. This story is just beginning.